I wanted to let you see the intuitive style process because it is scary for some people. So I just have some oil pastels and I'm going to just do some marks. And I'm going to turn my canvas a little bit. Now, sometimes I will write words here, safe. This is going to be covered up. Nobody's going to see anything. You can even use this as art therapy. You need to get something off your chest. Boom, right here's a great place to do it. If you feel playful and just want to do some childlike markings, right here is a great place to do it. And I'm just grabbing colors. That's my first layer. This is just an acrylic paint called Rouge. I'm not overthinking it. This is the time when you get to kind of just be playful. This is still wet. I'm gonna grab my little squeegee tool and I'm going to just do some mark making again. This is a fluorescent pink. Got these little stencils that I use quite a bit. A brush that has a flat tip to it. So I'm just doing it to get some background movement. Boho blue, which is a really dark teal. Some turquoise. Let's do turquoise. Why I just grabbed this, it was an impulse. And maybe I'll put some white in there too. So let's spray it down and see what happened here. I've got a continuous sprayer. We're still in kind of the play mode right now. This is sap green. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape this down, okay? I just grabbed my brayer, so I'm just going to see what happens when I use the brayer. So that's going to just change the texture. put sunshine. Grab my stamp. Here. I've got green and yellow on this one. Looking like she has some 80s shoulder pads on at this point. The background is a wonderful, wonderful way to do your underpainting. Let her dress just kind of drip down. On in the background, it's really busy, right? Too busy. We're going to kind of edit and soften it down. My Viridian titanium white. Start painting around some of the images.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free.
Let's do some knife work now.
I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around.
I just grabbed some sap green.
Barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and
Intuitive painting has been around as long as artists have been around, and it just simply means when you're kind of hearing that little, I always call it a little bit of a God whisper, right? And you lean into it.